Good morning. I went to Crumbl at 8 a.m. this morning so that I could get this video uploaded fast. It's Carly from cookingwithcarly.com. We're Crumbl taste testing it today. Before we get going though, I have a super duper exciting announcement. A project that I've been working really hard on is finally ready. I have a new ebook out. It is called Cookie Lover, and it's a lot of gourmet cookie copycat recipes like the ones that you enjoy on my website regularly. You get 32 copycat cookie recipes, and we talk about like all of the base cookies, different variations you can make on the base cookies. I give you all of the ingredient amounts so that you can actually take like a full batch of dough, cut it into fourths, and make 4 different cookies at the same time. It's like revolutionary. It's really good. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description below, and stick around to the end of the video and I'll let you know which new recipe will be posted tomorrow. And let's get to it. All right, Crumbl taste test. Here we go. Oh, I didn't take a picture. Pause. Gotta take a picture of this first. Okay, I'm back. Taste test. Here we go. Can you see those, guys? I'll pull them out one at a time. We'll talk about them. Okay, so first, let's start with this one. This is a Rice Krispie treat that is in the shape of a circle. I don't know about you guys, but I don't really consider this a cookie, and paying almost $4 for this about killed me, but I did it for you. It is just a Rice Krispie treat. Let me know your opinions on this in the comments, because I may have strong ones. But I will say that there are a lot of people who are gluten-free, and this would be a gluten-free option for them if they wanted to go to Crumbl. So I support that. But maybe like have this always and forever for the gluten-free peeps. But don't like say it's a cookie. I don't know. It's my opinion. All right, next up is the chilled Twix cookie. So this is a sugar cookie base cookie that has Twix pieces in it. Caramel layer, milk chocolate with a little mini Twix on there. It is chilled. I'm excited about this one. This week there's a lot of sugar cookie bases, and I feel like this is similar too. I'm missing the chocolate this week, like chocolate bases, not gonna lie. Okay, this one I'm a little nervous about. The bubblegum cookie. Doesn't smell like bubblegum. So it's a sugar cookie base. It's warm, pink. I think they called it a mellow something frosting. I don't know. And then there's a piece of bubblegum on top. So I don't know what the flavor is going to be, but we are going to give it a whirl in a sec. And then the last up is the Reese's cookie. So it's a peanut butter cookie with a peanut butter, like melted peanut butter on top. And then these are supposed to be, the chocolate pieces are supposed to be like Reese's cup pieces, but it's all warm, so they kind of melted. In the ebook that I made, I also did a Reese's cookie. It's a little bit different than this though. It's drizzled with peanut butter and chocolate. And it was really good. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Okay. Let's try them. So, Rice Krispie treat. It's definitely thick. Give it a try. You can taste vanilla in it. I mean, it's a good Rice Krispie treat. Nothing magical or over the top. Definitely very buttery. Very buttery. But I mean, it's good. Is it worth almost $4? I don't think so. But that's just my opinion. All right. Twix cookie. Ha ha ha. You see that? So it's supposed to be chilled. I have to drive like 30 minutes though. So it's not totally chilled. I enjoy that. I like the thick caramel on there. It's not like wimpy caramel. Like you've got a nice layer of caramel on it. Are there really Twix pieces in it? There's not a ton of Twix pieces in it, but solid cookie, especially if you like caramel and Twix. It doesn't taste like a Twix tastes, but it is a good cookie. If you like caramel and chocolate, do it. Okay, I think I'm gonna save the bubblegum for last. Maybe best for last, I don't know. So here's the Reese's one. Nice and thick. So there's nothing, looks like there might be some chocolate in the cookie dough. That might be a mistake. Nah, there might be. Online it does not say that there's anything inside of the cookie dough, inside of the cookie, but it looks like there might be. But I don't know if that's like something accidentally got on it, you know? Who knows? Not I. That's a solid cookie. I love chocolate and peanut butter though. I like really do. Nice ooey gooey peanut butter cookie. Pretend like you didn't just see that happen. Yeah, that's good. That one's a favorite so far. I like that one a lot. I like all of the peanut butter on top, but it's not so, it's like melted, the peanut butter chips. You know those Reese's peanut butter chips that look like chocolate chips? That's what is on there, not like straight peanut butter, because it's not super sticky in your mouth. It's like they melted those down and put it on. So I like that one a lot. I enjoy it. Okay, bubblegum. Here we go. This one's served warm. Oh, I can smell bubblegum. That is so strange. Okay, here goes nothing. It tastes like bubblegum. Like bubblegum flavored, what is something like snow cone or something like that. Like that's like really artificial bubblegum flavoring. Pretty sure there's cream cheese in the frosting. Like it's a cream cheese, like a bubblegum flavored cream cheese frosting. The cookie itself is really good. I like the crispiness of the outside, you know? It's like not crispy like crunchy, crispy like buttery. Which I am always okay with. My kids are gonna love it. I don't love it. This kind of reminds me of like the smell of kids like pain medication, like bubblegum, Tylenol, you know? That's what it smells like and tastes like to me. Not that I've tasted kids Tylenol in a long time, but yeah, interesting. Not my fave. Definitely my favorite this round was the peanut butter. Overall though, I'd say okay-ish week. It's interesting, like most of them were sugar-based this week. There are no chocolate cookies, and the only one with like the original base was the just their chocolate chip cookies. So that was interesting. I love their chocolate cookies though, so I'm kind of missing the chocolate. All right, video for tomorrow and new recipe for tomorrow is the pink velvet cookies. So stay tuned for that. Make those. Let me know how you like them. Let me know which one you want me to make in the comments below of these. And yeah, check out that ebook. Ding! We'll see you next week.